Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Let's get right into this one. Welcome back, babes, and welcome if you're new here on Sharon's Nail Boutique. I'm so happy to have you. As you can see, we have a spread of some full well tips here. We have some short almond tips, and I will leave the link for these in the description index below. And we are using our Born Pretty non-sticky gel to put them on, and this is in the color nude. So this stuff is actually really good. And the reason why I like to use it is because once you put your tip on and you put it in place, it's not moving. So you just do it like so, and you get it straight however you like it. You know, get that excess around those edges quickly, and you could put the excess back into the gel. Like, it's a non-sticky gel. It's not like, it wouldn't be like taking a regular gel, scooping the excess off and putting it back into the tub. It's really hard to explain, but it's just not the same. It's even, in my opinion, better in some ways than polygel because it's non-sticky. But moving right on, I am going in with my Beetles confetti cake collection with 2 of the colors. And if you pause it, you can see the numbers quickly on the top of the bottle. They do show the color and the number, however, so it's A784 and this one is A789. I really do prefer that they come with names. However, it's not a make or break. So I am just doing 2 colors, and then I'm using my ombre brush that I got in my 12-piece GELLEN brush collection, which that 3D brush right there that I use to clean up with is amazing as well. This is the 12-piece Macaron collection. I'll leave the link for that in the description index below as well. So I'm just going through and I'm like mixing the 2 colors, and I felt like I needed a little bit more. And I know probably most people right now are saying, no, don't do that. It's gonna, it's gonna bubble up. It's gonna be too thick. I know usually that would be correct. However, since I don't have like a whole ton of it going on right there, and these are shiny tips, I didn't buff the surface. I'm not sure why I did that, but I think I was just trying to do like a quick demo set for you guys. So I didn't bother going in on the surface, and I kind of wish that I would have, because I feel like my first coat would have stuck a little bit better had I done that. But since I go through sets so quickly, it's just more convenient for me to do it this way. So I'm going in on the rest of the nails, and I'm just doing half downward towards the free edge with my 784, and then I'll use the 789 and I'll come in on that free edge, and then we'll start mixing the 2 colors together. And I also have a lining tool in my hand from this same collection, and I'll be using that at the very end to do some intricate hand-drawn nail art, just a different kind on each finger. And I'm using my reflective glitter to do that. So I'm just coming through now each finger, and I'm using that ombre brush, and I'm going through each of the center part where the color meets, and I'm just blending that like so. And on the second coat, things start to definitely look a lot better. So the first coat is always the questionable. Questionable. It looks questionable. This is probably one of my, I want to say first time, but it's my first time ombreing all 5 fingers, especially using the ombre tool. Now, I have seen people do like a full nail of one color and then they take the other color and they kind of blotch it up half of the nail. Now, maybe in the next video that I try doing this, I'm gonna do it that way because I just feel like it'll probably come out better like that. I've done ombres like that in the past where I start off with one color. I actually just did that in a recent TikTok video where I did multiple colors, but I started off with one color, the yellow, and then I added the rest of them to make like the sunset. So I think the next time I do ombre nails like this, that's what I'm gonna do. But I have several more sets coming up for you guys. I actually did a couple more polygel sets, so I'm really happy with, especially the most recent one I did. I really like how it turned out, so I really hope that you guys enjoy watching it. Let me know what you guys think about this set in the comments below. I know it's something quick. I wanted to get something out for you guys because I know it's been a few days. So let me know what you think of this set, if you would wear it, if it's something that, oh, it's cute, but I wouldn't wear it like for a while. I'd just wear it like out somewhere. You know, let me know what you think in the comments below. I know it's not my best work. However, I thought that they were cute. I thought they were cute enough to share. So I really like the pink with the blue. It's definitely giving me like cotton candy vibes. What do y'all think? Which two colors would you pair up out of this set? So we have green, we have the baby blue. We like a baby green, a baby blue, the baby pink, baby yellow, baby peach, and like a lilac purple, I believe. So which two colors would y'all wear? And I'm gonna leave the link for this gel polish collection in the cards below, or in the description index below, so y'all know where to get it. But you can find it on Amazon. If for whatever reason I'm late getting the links up there, because sometimes I do take some time to put them up, just look on Amazon, 6-piece Macaron collection, or 6-piece pastel gel polish collection. And yeah, so I just finished up doing the edges of these, and then we're gonna go through each nail and mix them again, and then we'll cure them. Doesn't that kind of look like Frenchies a little bit? That would actually, you know what, that actually kind of looks cute. I really kind of like that actually, with the baby pink and the blue tip. That's actually really cute. Maybe one of our upcoming sets will do something like that, and we'll just, you know what it is, I have such a hard time going and doing nails and not going crazy with like different colors and ombres, and sometimes less is more, Sharon. Sometimes less is more, and sometimes I just need to remind myself of that. So now we're coming through and we are ombreing those two colors. You see how it's getting better now that we have multiple coats on the nails? I think that that looks better. Much better. So the pinky, you know, and I should have gone through and filed these as well, because in hindsight, I realized the tip of the nails, yeah, they're kind of pointy. So I should have kind of shaved those down somewhat. And I believe I come back in with my cleanup brush, or not. So now we're gonna clean them, but before we top coat, we're gonna come in with our little design that I'm doing. I was gonna use the green, but I wanted to show y'all real quick how cute that is. Perfect for spring. So I was actually thinking of doing airbrush with the green on the hands. That's why I'm mixing it like this, so vigorously. But anyways, no, I end up coming in with this reflective glitter from Burano. So pretty. Oh my goodness, stuff is so pretty. And I'm just using my lining brush from the GELLEN 12-piece collection, and I'm going in and doing like a minus space Frenchie on the tip of this. And then on the pointer, I go in with like an intricate kind of champagne-y chandelier, not champagne, a chandelier design. I can't talk this morning. So, and then I just, you know, I continue to do like, I do like a half minus space Frenchie on a couple of them, like down the center vertically and then up half of the nail. You'll see when I do it. But I really like how these turned out. They were super cute to wear for a few days and then take off. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are new here and you're back, definitely subscribe to this channel because I got so much more in the works for us and I cannot wait to get it up for you. I love you all so much, boutique babes, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.